So I'm giving them a couple more minutes. They're still discussing. I love to hear the discussion. About another minute.
I know, that's why. I can't, like.
But how you show the listing? Like, I can't remember how to do it.
Make you see, because you're super stuck on what
Is
you're
that supposed to be on the one?
Hmm?
Like, how would you, like... Yeah,
We'll talk about it. I mean, if I show you now, then you'll have it, nobody else will have it. So I'll go over it.
I got it right, though.
What do you have right?
I know I got this right.
The top part, yes, is good.
So close.
Now, have you looked at this?
No.
Look at this. Look at the bottom section. If you haven't looked at the bottom section yet, I'm not saying. That is part of the discovery. Part of the discovery. Have I told you this is a good problem? Yes. Too many times. All right. Are we ready to bring it up front? Nia, are you with me? Kiaria, are you with me? Okay. Does anybody want to offer up their inequality? Lonnie. Go ahead.
I got 1,200.
Is greater than?
160p plus 200.
Okay. What do you guys think of that?
Yes.
Totally, dudes.
Is it right, Christine?
I don't know, is it? I'm asking you guys.
I said yes. So tell me if I'm wrong. I honestly don't know.
Well, let's see. Let's try to break it down. Break it down. So 1,200. Is 1,200 the highest we can go?
Yes.
Yes. Could it also be equal to 1,200 then? Yes, it can. So some of you probably forgot the equal to part. And how did we get 160p? First of all, what does p have to represent if she's using p as her variable? Not pounds. Number of people. Yes. And you probably figured that before, but maybe you forgot. So it's number of people. How do we get the 160? There's not even a 160 in there.
Because 150 pounds for each person and then 10 pounds for each person's ear.
Yes, we assumed that the average weight was 150 pounds, plus we also assumed the 10 pounds of gear per person. And so she combined those as like terms to give us 160p. And the 200 is the gear of what's needed for the boat, correct?
Yep.
Floyd, come on, let's go. Zoe. Yes, I see your hand. All right, so can I solve for P? What would I do? Subtract 200, subtract 200. 200s cancel out. I get 160p is less than or equal to 1,000. Yes, if you read it backwards, you also say it backwards. Okay? So then divide by 160, divide by 160. P is less than or equal to 6.25 what? People. That's right. It is not a full people. So what are the only possible answers? 1 through 6? I'm gonna get real picky here. I'm not taking 1 through 6. 6 and what? That's pretty much the same as what he said. I'm getting picky. Come on, guys. 7? Is 7 less than 6.25? No. The question is, what number of people can I have on this boat? 6, yes. Somebody said 1. Is that right?
Yeah.
Technically, yes. What else?
0.25 people.
No.
6 people in a tower.
5.
Nope. So I heard 6 and a toddler. No, we're not taking a toddler. 2, 3, 4, 5. Anything else? 0. I told you I was being picky. So let's go. Oh, this is 0. 1, 2, 3.
But if it's 0, nobody can rent the boat.
Right, come on.
If it's 0, nobody can rent the boat.
What's the
So
point
that's
of the
wrong.
0.25?
It says how many people possible to rent a boat. If there's
Okay,
0
you're
people,
okay. Touche, you got me there. I thought maybe it was the number of guests, but it doesn't say that because I guess we're counting the captain or whoever's doing the boat in there too. Okay, so what is this number line going to look like? A box? No, not like a box.
Oh,
the circle thing. I don't remember that.
it's a closed circle
On what?
on 6, and then it to the left to 0, and then it's also a closed circle.
Like this?
Yeah.
No,
No.
that is not correct. Why is that not correct?
Oh no, 6 is an open circle.
Can we not include 6?
Yes. Open or closed circle is equal to, and then it can be less. It can include the number of residents, right?
So I got closed circle on 6.
Is closed circle right on 6?
Yes, it is correct.
So open circle is 0. Because it can't go 100.
You're supposed to have
I just put an arrow.
Isn't it like,
Actually, something that got me in like in front.
In front?
Above?
It doesn't have to be above.
I mean, it could technically be
What are my solutions to this problem?
5, 1, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2.
So how do I reflect that accurately? A dot, circle on each one. So are we looking at the answer of the inequality? Or are we looking at the answer of the problem?
Christine, what did you just call that? What do you call that?
That was not how I was
That is not what that's called. That's called a dot plot.
Yeah.
That is not what you just
That
called.
is not a dot.
You plot your dots
Ah,
on that line.
that's illegal.
Nobody ever
A
taught
box
that.
plot,
You're supposed to draw a line on the dot on 6 and go back with an arrow.
Why is everybody yelling? Okay, guys, listen. It says graph the solution set. Now, the solution set is really just these numbers, is it not? You can put a decimal. You can't include these numbers in between because we could not have 2.3 people.
You can have a 40,000 person on that team.
No, we're not talking about weight. We're talking about people.
One of them is pregnant.
Wait, what?
That's not a fully grown person.
That is still one.
They all
Hey.
Just change that rule in there.
Okay. So I just think this is a great problem. I did it this way so you can think about it, but I understand what you're saying. You were saying, let's put the dot on 6, let's put the dot on 0, although I kind of like what you were saying. You really can't have 0, I suppose. So that could be an open dot.
They have a chocolate court.
Oh my gosh. All right. Okay, touche. Let's go to the bottom now. Let's go to the bottom. What is what?
You don't burn me out.
Wait, I can't hear.
What's a closed circle mean?
A closed circle means that number is included in the answer.
I thought the closed circle meant.
I thought the open
Oh, okay.
So if I had this on 6 and I had an open circle on 5 and I was talking about this, it would be everything greater than 5 up to and including 6. Okay, so it would be 5 is less than X, which is less than or equal to 6. That's what this means. You don't have to write that. I'm just answering her question. And I will have this so you can watch it as many times as you want later. Will we have graphs on there? I honestly don't remember. I'll take a look. All right, so let's go to the questions that are at the bottom. Hopefully you had a chance. It says several groups of people wish to rent a boat. Group one has 4 people. Group 2 has 5 people. And group 3 has 8 people. Which of these groups, if any, can safely rent a boat? How about group 1? Can they rent this boat?
Yes.
How about group 2?
Yes.
And how about group 3?
unless they want to die.
So it says, what is the maximum number of people that may rent a boat? 6. So notice though that their answers all corresponded with actual full numbers. So when I say graph that solution set, it really is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
So if we get a value like that on the test, you have to graph it how it is.
I'm gonna look because Jaime asked that too, so I will look. I don't think there's any graphs on the test. I don't think, but I will check. Any questions about this problem on page 49 or 48? That's it. Biddy, that's it, folks.